Yeah, no, good. Carry with you. Carry with you. All three of your. All three.
Whatever color you want, comes out. That's fine. But you know what? Cats are not easy. Very sweet. Put it on. No. Arey. Go to the stage? Yeah. We go to the stage. Volunteers need to change these. Come.
Para ma'am.
हाँ जी।
राम तू कैमरा आ रहा है तेरा पूरा फ्रेम में यार। क्या?
Volunteers, please make a chain here, please. Put your hand.
पीछे ना पीछे आएगा सब दिलना बस पीछे ना सब लोग यार
That's how we are ringing. This is Harsha. He's just going to launch an app.
There they are. अरे जी ये इनके लिए मिला कौन है यार पीछे रहना एक सेकंड क्या हुआ यार सब लोग हेलो लुक हियर मैम मैडम आप
Hello everyone, welcome to the World for All. A real round of applause for World for All and everyone over here. And we have 27 beds. And so my association, so why Day of Marathon, and I must confess that this is, I had to say it because then I don't want people to tell me. And Saloni just mentioned one more probably is coming. Okay. So we try our best to push. Gurmeet and Devina.
My one daughter is crazy about animals, and which is why I haven't really brought her here. I'll be going home with 5 or 6 puppies, I think. But I'm seriously thinking of taking one home for her. I think it's absolutely fantastic. It's so compassionate and so much work you all are putting in, all the young volunteers. I think kids today really are doing so much more than we adults did in our time. It's a great cause, and I think 37 puppies today, we 137 tomorrow.
मेरे घर में ऑलरेडी एक डॉग है और अभी देवीना ऑलरेडी बहुत इमोशनल हो चुकी है, तो ये हमेशा चाहती है कि रास्ते से हर जगह से डॉग घर पे रखें, तो मेरे लिए जगह भी कम हो जाएगी, तो चलेगा, मैं नीचे सोऊंगा चलेगा, लेकिन इसके लिए देवीना के लिए डेक्स्टर और जो डॉग्स है वो बेड पे सोना चाहिए।
Is doing a very good job because मुझे पता है कि the kind of feeling that I have, and then there's so many people who share the same frame of mind as me. There are so many times when I see a dog on road and I want to treat, but then there were several times that I have called on all the big doctors of Bombay telling that please come, send somebody, but nobody has reached the place on time. And well, yes, I have also found one doctor who is in Bandra, Dr. Chetan. I would happily name him because he came all the way from Bandra to Film City to treat my dogs. Obviously the street dogs, but then they were my dogs. And then there were so many times my friend calls me because they know about my feeling, so they feel that I would know somewhere or some place who would treat a dog who's on lying injured in the signal or something. And we have no organizations as such. If such organizations exist, I know where to get in touch with and when to. And these situations arises every day, and I'm really thankful to all of you that you are doing this.
I don't know how many more she's going to take from you.
None from here, but I would just urge anyone to take one friend home because it was the best thing that ever happened.
I will be from here and not I won't buy a breed dog, so I will take
So, as much as we can do for the animals, we are extremely thankful to people like Farah, Gurmeet and Devina, because when they say something, since you have such a large following, people will blindly follow. And when you say something like be compassionate to an animal, the thousands of people that watch you will do it blindly. And Farah, Gurmeet and Devina, and I think then we let them choose what they like to do at this venue. So I'd just like to invite again the backbone of my organization, my ambulance staff that works from 12 to 16 hours every day.
Look straight, please. Thank you. Yes, look here. Excuse me, all of you look here. Right side.
Thank you.
अरे तू नीचे कर रहे थोड़ा मैडम मैडम
Alice.
छोड़ो ना। Farah, we start with wishing you many congratulations to you for the film Happy New Year.
Thank you.
बहुत सारी अच्छी खबरें आ रही है, मोरक्को फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जा रही है, ऑस्कर की लाइब्रेरी में जा रही है, क्या प्रतिक्रिया आपकी?
आज तो हम अडॉप्टाथॉन के बारे में बात करेंगे क्योंकि ये बहुत ही अच्छा कॉज है और these two wonderful people have started this. I'm here to tell you people, especially animal lovers, क्योंकि my one daughter is a mad animal lover, इसलिए मैं उसको आज यहाँ नहीं लाई हूँ, नहीं तो मेरे 4-5 पपी साथ में लेके जाने पड़ते. But I think it's a fabulous cause what they are doing, and to adopt puppies which are street animals, not, I mean, to take them, because otherwise they are really not looked after in our country at all. So I think hats off to these people who look after the animals that nobody even wants. I mean, to, you know, we pass them by on the road, we don't even look at them. and to treat them, to vaccinate them, to clean them and then to give them good homes. इससे अच्छा कॉज हो ही नहीं सकता।
पर आप इतना टाइम निकाल पाती हैं कि इतनी मार्मिक और भावुक होके आप
जो कॉज मेरे दिल को अच्छा लगता है, मैं उसके लिए हमेशा टाइम निकालती हूँ।
Any plans to adopt?
Yes, I think I'm going to bring my मैंने कहा है कि अगर मैं कभी भी क्योंकि मेरी जो डॉटर है आन्या वो पागल है एनिमल्स के लिए, तो अगर मैं ज़रूर एक पपी लूँगी तो मैं यहीं से लूँगी। आई हैव सेड दैट इफ़ आई एवर टेक अ पपी बैक होम इट विल बी फ्रॉम देयर अडॉप्टाथॉन।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, हम लोग देखते हैं कि फिल्मों में आजकल एक एंटरटेनमेंट फिल्म आई थी, उसके अलावा
अभी तो बाद में बात।
अरे नहीं, अरे सुनो तो सही,
धीरे आ रहा है, जल्दी आ।
हाँ, मतलब एनिमल्स के ऊपर कभी फिल्म बनाएंगे या
एनिमल्स के ऊपर फिल्म बना भी सकते हैं, व्हाई नॉट, बट यू नो व्हाट एक्टर्स से ना, नेवर वर्क विद किड्स एंड नेवर वर्क विद एनिमल्स, दे ऑलवेज अपस्टेज यू।
दे आर इनसिक्योर, यानी मतलब सब बड़े-बड़े एक्टर्स,
मतलब एनिमल्स और बच्चे कभी भी किसी का भी सीन खा सकते हैं, तो ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू।